Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, a dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go, cash no way to let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create, buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock, price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block, riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create, buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
Good morning, good morning. Welcome to today's live. My name's Mo G. This is the Trading Power Hour, the most real and boring trading, live trading stream on the entire YouTube universe. So what is it? What makes this so boring? Very simple. We follow three main rules here. We look at three different pieces of information to come up with the best plan and strategy for the day. First and foremost, we look at this up here, which is the TWA dashboard. And we're looking at this column here. The session control says bearish. So we have one sign that says bearish. The second thing we look at is this dashboard here. This is the market math dashboard, excuse me. Excuse me. This says bullish. So right, that tells me right there, 1, 2, mixed signals. The third thing we look at is up here, this colorful bar here. Yellow means chop. It went from yellow to gray. So let's see if New York actually wants to shift. If it stays the way it is, it's looking like a no trading day. If things start to match and or there's good setups, it could be a trading day. But one key note, if I look at my key levels, 850s, I tell you, is very sticky. We tried to break above 850, could not. Now we're just literally sticking right to that level. And let's see if it wants to continue or break down. For right now, before the open, looking like a breakdown. And how far could it go? If these stay off, if this stays bearish, I would use that as your target areas. But you see how these candles here are yellow, this little trigger candle thingy? That means there's no real push just yet. There's no real push either way. So we just wait. So just to clear one thing up, this is the TPO, this is the trigger candle. Do not mean the same things at all. This means chop, but It could be, it all depends on what the session control says. It could chop bullish or it could chop bearish, right? This has no directional at all. Same thing with this. Has no directional influence at all. It's just telling you when's a good time to go if you want to go long, or when's a good time to take a short. When it's yellow like that, you know it is just a wait until something starts to match up at the bottom. That's all volume here. And you can see it here, right? It's just, it looks like it's about to cross, try to push up, then come back down. What's the ATR? ATR is 5. Ooh, ATR is only 5. Do we have any news today? Let's see. Let's see what kind of news we have today. Any news today? All right. So we're getting some long signals. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. All right. This is gonna be a little weird one because we have some world news. Oh boy. Yeah, we definitely got some world news between, I think it's from the Israeli media about a reported primary target. Okay. So what does that tell me? Just, be aware, be careful. Because with news, it can blow up the setups. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying, oh, because of this, it's a short thing. That had nothing to do with it. It can literally, it becomes less readable, and therefore your setups can be blown up in seconds. So just be aware. You got 3 minutes to open. 3 minutes till the open. Right now we have mixed signals, no TPO on. Let's see if it stays that way, or if 9:30 brings a whole storm full of stuff. We shall see. So until then, I told you this is the most real and boring live show you'll ever see. It's wait time. And if by 10 o'clock, right, so from 9:30 to 10, if nothing has changed, we're still mixed, and the yellow TPO is coming back. If that stays for a full half hour, I'm not trading today. There's no point for me to trade today. I'll just wait for a day that can give us some actual direction of probability. So just to recap, what do we have? Dashboard 1, bearish. Dashboard 2, bullish. Yellow TPO. For me and my process, that's a no trade zone. I don't care what signals are on the board or on the chart. It's a no trade zone. So I'm not trading until something starts to shift. So this may be a live where you just basically see me do a bunch of emails rather than trade, because this is garbage to me. Yellow TPO, mixed dashes. I don't trade that. We're about to open. Let's see. Now the open will shift this session control, because London session will be technically ending and New York session will be starting. And let's see what kind of movement New York wants to burn. And about 5 seconds before it starts. So remember, if you want actual signals of when to enter and levels and things like that, please go to the Discord down here. Okay, let's see this firing up. With DC and Cloud, they give excellent signals, and it's a whole trading party, so you don't have to trade by yourself. Okay, we got a buy signal there. Yellow TPOs, I ain't touching it. Not touching it at all. All right, so let me look at some emails because this is nothing. So let me zoom in on this so you can see why I'm not touching it. This way. Okay. So why, right? If this is a buy signal, yeah, you would have gotten a nice spike. And then it's coming back. So you're gonna get a lot of this. So far, in 1 minute, nothing has really changed in the session control. We're too far away from this for that to change. And we're yellow TPO. So save your money, save your trading. No trades right now. All right, come on, let's get some emails in. Email working. We're good to go. This one. Okay, good. That should be happening tomorrow. Good. Sip some coffee. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, that's right. So I forgot I'm streaming on two different channels. So there's two channels here, right? There's TWA, which you can always go to the Discord below, and then there's my channel, Trade Travel Thrive. What I show on this channel is you'll get like an hour of live trading using the tools. But it's also, what I do, why I trade, what I use the funds for, things like that. And I just to show the fun side when you do, catch those good payouts and stuff. And then the TWA side, which is the other channel this is streamed on, is strictly about indicators and what you're seeing on the screen here. Now, please keep in mind, you may see me take trades and call out trades. There is a delay on YouTube. Okay, there is definitely a delay on YouTube, even from what you see on my chart and even from what I say. If you want real time call outs, go to the Discord. That's the best place for real time trade call outs. If you just want to see my process in the beginning, the first half hour of the market, which is what I recommend. Okay, we got to switch to bullish control now. So we got a match, bullish. Let's see if the TPO turns off and we can have some trading opportunities. If you want that, you come here so you can see these dashboards, how I use them to game plan. So right now, in 1 more minute, about 2 minutes, if this stays as bullish, we can now say, at least in this beginning part of the morning, that we can look low. Give it a couple minutes. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to be looking long. And get my chart ready. I really want that TPO to turn off though. That spiked. here, spiked again, just a bunch of wicks. We're getting some more action on the Dom. Extremely choppy. How many points is it chopping up and down? Yeah, okay. Just wait. All right. So the time is now it's 9:35. Session control changed to bullish. Price action is bullish. Market math is bullish. So we can look, for now, we can look bullish. But see this yellow TPO here? That's kind of why I believe we're seeing yes, push back. Trying, and push back again. So not a good time to enter for me personally. I have to wait. And this is just experience from journal entries. That's all that is. Okay. There's your attention. Man, a lot of wicks this morning. So TPO, yellow TPO, that's that. I don't even use that as caution. Think of it as your money saver, right? You see yellow TPO, that's your money saver. Don't push the button. Changes. So we're at that 850 mark where all of these wicks have been touching. It's it just sneaks over and gets pushed right back. So keep that in mind. Yeah, we're getting definitely getting pushed back from up there. Switched again. You saw that? If you didn't see it, it just switched again. That means no trade. It is 9:38 right now. There's no trades to be had. If the TPO, so let's give you some examples, right? If the TPO turned off, what do you do? Well, if it turned off and it stayed off, like, and then you start seeing some nice price action, and if it's in the bearish side, then you can look for shorts, knowing it's not going to be a smooth trade to like 30, 40, 50, 60 points. It's going to, not chop, but work its way down there. Where if they're matching, if these two dashboards are matching, sometimes it can be like a smooth drop to 20 points and then it come back a little bit and then start moving its way down. The pulses will be bigger in the direction. This one, it's literally like just batting back and forth, back and forth. You can see how tight it all is here. Hopefully people took smart trades or none didn't trade at all, because this could definitely be a money taker. Okay, we're starting to push down a bit. Still got yellow TPOs. Got nothing to do there. What is this? Good, all right. So, okay, TPO should be turning off soon. Let's see if it wants to stay in this direction or not. Nope, never mind. You know how you know it's really weak? Because if I go to, I also look at the 3 minute chart, and usually a 3 minute chart gives me like, it's longer time frame, right? So you have larger candles. Even that is all wicks for now. So okay, so we got a short sell but trigger button there, but I am not touching it. Let's see, TPO is turning off. Let's see if it stays off. Let's see if it wants to go. I mean, right now, I guess if you wanted to, I mean, shorts would be a play. But I personally don't like what price action is doing right now, so I'm gonna wait till 10. Maybe, let me see if there's any news or anything at 10 that can help push this a little bit. Mm, 10 o'clock, we have US quarterly employment and wages, Q1. Okay, let's see if that does something. See, this is because of this process I use, is why I don't give myself a daily average anymore. I don't care. I care about getting good trades um, with probability and direction stacked on my side. Going back to yellow TPO. I'm not surprised. Well, again, I told you, welcome to the most boring live trading show on all of YouTube. And it's boring for a purpose. Yellow TPOs, bearish, bullish, no trade. Ooh, good. Yes, yes. Let's go. Let's go. So I gotta get it today. Put my calendar. I'm not talking about the charts. The charts are garbage. I'm talking about emails that I'm looking at the side. All right, so it's getting to that time. It's getting to that time. Another 14 minutes. We got 14 minutes. You know what? Um I'm gonna put a timer on here. For how much time? Yeah. So that clock, sorry, that clock right there, that's for how many minutes until we get a new 4-hour forecast? And I'll know by the time this goes off if today is a trading day or not. Isn't that great? So literally in a half hour, I'm gonna know if it's even worth the time to put in any trades. So you know what? I'm gonna keep this on the screen. Let me just put a little text here. Okay. So I'm gonna have that across the screen. All right, so I'll be right back. So far, you're not missing a thing. Dashboard 1 bearish, dashboard 2 bullish, yellow TPOs, no trade. All right, I'll be right back. Oh. All right. Look at that. All right, so I'm back. We have some movement now. So price has started to try and break down. We have 7 minutes to the new 4 hour. Okay, so far we have a bearish session control. That means that the trades I will look for right now are shorts. TPOs have turned off. Let's see if they stay off because they've had a pattern of being off, turning back to yellow. So that means price action is not necessarily smooth. And then we have, oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute, that moved up. Wait a minute. Okay. So this actually moved up. That's so the statement box moved up. Okay, let's see. Keep an eye on that. Why do I want to keep an eye on that? Because that's a very tight statement box. So if that flips, get ready for your shorts. Okay, let's get the charts ready. Let's get these charts ready because I'm seeing shorts coming. It's time to get love 5 minutes. Let's get this ready. Hold on. I'm just watching here because we're right by that bullish statement area. It's considered cheap. So be prepared for a long coming if that doesn't flip. to ATR9. Wait 2 minutes. Get some new context. So I'm waiting 2 minutes for new context. Session control says bullish. Statement says, sorry, session control is bearish. Statement says bullish, and we are right in that area. Hold on. Check something. About a minute left. Okay, switch to bearish. So that's confirmed for me. Now let's wait a minute, see if we can get a nice short entry. Okay, new 4 hour is up. Let's see what price wants to do here. Back to yellow. Seriously. What are we seeing here? What are we looking at here? I want to look short, but the TPOs are still yellow. Okay, let me get ready for this. Okay. All right, I'm going in short. Go, come on. Okay, up 10 points. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can hold this. Nope, this one might have to be cut short because it's pushing back. Let's see. Nah, nope, this one's gonna be a loser today. Still in it. No, this is gone. All right, that sucks. Well, 0 for 1. I tried a short. did not work. It went up as high as 10 points, but it took me out. See if there's any other trade opportunities. If not, then it's gonna be gone for the day. All right. So I took a short there. I took a couple points back. So that's 1 for 2. All right, let's see. So I took 2 shorts today. That's 1 for 2. The first loss was a mistake. I should have moved my stop, but I did not. So I'm down about 9 points. Let's see. But these yellow TPOs are killing me. So bearish, bearish. We are right by that bearish statement. That's why I took the short too, because we were inside the bearish statement. But these yellow TPOs are really messing up how I like price movement to go. So let's see if it starts to click off or anything. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Let's see if we can get these points. Let's see. Let's see if we can get these points today. All right. Well, I couldn't hold it anymore. It's too jumpy. So I'm green on the day. I'm gonna lock out. I took one, two, three shorts. This was way harder than it needed to be. I was getting a max of 15 points and then it would go back on me. So with that, I just couldn't hold it anymore. No, you know what? I'm gonna lock out for the day. I don't care about that. Okay, that was a lot harder than it needed to be. I'm on another account now with micros short, so let's see if what this takes me. Once I hit my TP1, there you go, TP1 hit. Move this to break even. See how far this one gets me. Keep it $10. All right, so I'm still in the short, but this is just another account now. I locked out of my first account because it was just too much back and forth, the yellow TPOs. Probably my contracts were too high, but you know what? I stuck to the plan. I stuck to one side. So let's recap the day. Bearish, bearish. I'm going bearish, right? Price action was not the best for holding very long, so I should have probably put a TP1 at around 15 points. But you know what? That's basically what you do. So I basically got with the other two trades. So I took 3 trades. 2 were positive. 1 was a loss. The 2 positives wiped out the loss. I'm green on the day, but I am not taking any more trades on that account because it was too much chopping back and forth for me to be comfortable. And yellow TPOs were saying it. Yeah, they turn green now, but that's okay because on another account I have my my runner running, and I'm gonna actually move my TP from 100 points to about 200 points. And I'm gonna leave that running till either I get out at $10 or I make 400. I'm not gonna mess with it. I just hope I can move it in time. Now price is deciding to drop. Yeah, that's good. All right, so I'm gonna keep it there, see how much I can get on this account. I'm locked out of my top step. Yes, I'm green on the day. Let me give you the actual this. Okay, so I'm green on the day. Yes, 3 trades. Only 3 trades. That's excellent. That's right in my average. That's right in my wheelhouse. That's where I want to be. I had 1 loser, 2 winners. 2 winners beat out the loser. And that's all I can ask for. And then just continually climb little by little, building this account. I believe my payout was approved. Just do a double check. Here. Yep, I'm just waiting for them to send the funds. It was already processing, so being finalized. 1 payout's on its way. I have this short working for me now. It's about 50-ish points. Let's see if we can get to the 200. Why am I saying 200? Everything's matching. TPO, session control, bearish statement. and you can see price is starting to smoothly go. That's very good. All right, so that's the trade recap for today. I'll post later on to let you know how this trade did. But thank you again. This was a great education day because you saw no trade, went from no trade time to possible trade. We found the direction and we executed. So we followed the process, executed, and wound up going 2 for 1 on one account and 1 for 1 on the other one. So with that, thank you everybody, and I will see you tomorrow.